Welcome back to Tech After Dark. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the PlayStation 5 Disc version. And this is model number CFI 1015A. So as you can see, big box here. This is huge. It's a built-in handle to carry it properly. Yeah, this box is just gigantic. So from the top of the box, you can kind of see some of the nameplates: Sony, the console, controller, PlayStation 5, two PlayStation 5s, one acronym, one not. But I really do recommend buying the disc version, as you can play all of your PS4 games and PlayStation 5 games. So for the contents of the box, it says it includes a PlayStation 5 console, the wireless controller, the base of the console, HDMI cable, AC power cord, USB cable, which is Type-C, printed materials, and Astro's Playroom pre-installed game. And this includes 825 gigabyte hard drive. And later down the line, maybe this summer, they'll update it so you're able to actually install an extra little M.2 SSD internally. But for now, you can only plug in an external hard drive to run PS4 games, but not PS5 games. You'll probably have to delete a lot of PS5 games this generation until you upgrade the internal hard drive. At the top of here, you'll find a sticker. So let's just try to peel this off. If not, we'll just slice it. Maybe it's new enough that it won't kind of wreck the box, hopefully, but I remember this being here on the PS4 as well, and the PS4 Pro. They love their little circle stickers. Sweet. Just like that. We'll just pop it open like this. Maybe we could lay it flat. Like that. Okay. And let's just use the handle, because this machine is still a very big boy. Slide it out. So we won't need the big box, so let's just put it aside for now. So, PlayStation. It has a little flippity flap. You can pop it open here, like that, and pop it open up top as well, I guess. The handle on top, so let's just follow directions. Just lay it flat, lay it really flat, and let's just pull it out. Has a little holder for it, obviously. So within the little box here, oh, I opened it upside down. We've got the praised DualSense controller. We've got the AC cord here. And this is just a regular dual prong. We've got the quick start guide and safety guide. Oh. Yeah, maybe I did open this backwards. Got the HDMI cable. Pretty chunky. Maybe this is the 4K one, or 8K as they say in the box. got the base. And obviously the safety guide, which is always a good thing. Oh, and obviously a Type-C cord. And the pride and joy. The PlayStation 5. Another big box. Okay. Well, just like this, there's two little egg cartons. We'll just slip them off here. Place it down for 1 second. So let's unwrap this big boy. Oh my goodness. Holy. This is heavy. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is a tank. So let's put it right here for now. Oh my goodness. Well, I kind of have to install the base, so let's just go ahead and do that. As seen on television, where they actually gave a little demo on how to install this little thing. Just pop out. Yep, just pops out. Okay, very easy. So let's turn this on its side. Tiny little piece, and we can just, oh, of course, these little hooks here, just like that. And I guess it just goes like that. Just like that. Kind of looks pretty nice standing up, actually. It's supposed to be like 24 inches long or something. Maybe we could actually just plug it in and maybe see how it starts up, boots up. Let me cut to that, and we'll see how it goes. Let's just try turning it on. Press the eject button. Kind of see the blue light here. Wow. What an intro. Welcome to PlayStation 5. Wow. Yeah, for back ports, you've got two USBs, 3.2, and USBs in the front, Type C, and these are all 20 gigabytes per second speeds. You do have a Kensington lock in the back. You obviously have a full gigabit Ethernet connection, and obviously the HDMI with 4K and 8K content apparently. You can go up to 120 FPS on 4K, but maybe they'll update it later for 1440p 120 frames per second, because you're only limited to 1080p 120 or 4K 120. And yeah, the whole console is whisper quiet actually. It's kind of nuts. And yeah, you've obviously got a really sweet blue light when it's turning on, and white when it's just sitting and idling. But yeah, you got the eject button, obviously the power button, and yeah, you can charge your controllers and everything with these USBs. I'm glad they kind of added more, as the PS4 Pro had 3 USBs, but this one has 3 plus the Type C. So pretty future-proofed, and obviously the controller has a little built-in for the stand to charge it, and this actually has a built-in mic, which you can mute with one button. And yeah, this whole controller has haptic feedback and crazy haptic vibrations, but I'll maybe talk more about the PlayStation 5 experience later in the review. But for now, this is just the first impressions and unboxing of the PlayStation 5 disc version. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.